Dear students, all are welcome for the online class on Laplace transform. So now I am going to extend the previous class. Let us see here first shifting theorem. If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of e power at into f of t equal to f of s minus a. Here, adding with the f of t e power at. So you have to prove that Laplace transform of e power at f of t equal to f of s minus a. In the beginning, we know that let Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s is given. Now, Laplace transform of p, sometimes, see here now the definition is like this. Laplace transform of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. Based on this s, we are denoted that Laplace transform of f of t as f of s. Here, the same things, just to replace that f of t here, both by e power at into f of t, 0 to infinity, e power minus st, e power at into f of t into dt. See here now, Laplace transform of e power at into f of t equal to, by the definitions, it can be expressed as 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power at into f of t into dt. So now, based on this, we have to combine only these two terms, the first two terms. Exponent of e power negative s minus a into t, f of t into dt. You understand? We have to combine these two. We have to combine these two, these. We have to combine these two by, combine these two terms as 0 to infinity e power minus of s minus a into t, f of t into t. Based on the s, then we have to denote it as f of s. Here, s minus a is also a constant. So therefore, based on the previous one, by the definitions, we have to replace these terms. F of t into dt is f of s minus a. You understand? It's okay. Clear. And then next, I will give some example regarding this. Small example. Evaluate e power t into sin t. It is very simple one. What is a? Here a equal to 1. What is f of t? F of t is sin t. You have to compare like this. Then Laplace transform of e power t into sin t equal to, just to replace in the formula, a by 1, that is f of s minus 1. Now we have to find f of s. What is f of t here? You compare that formula here. F of t is sin t. So therefore, Laplace transform of f of s equal to Laplace transform of sin t 1 over s square plus 1. That's equal to f of s. It's clear now? It's very simple here now. See here, f of t equal to this much. F of t equal to this one. Here f of t equal to this. Now, by the definition, just to replace a by 1, we are getting Laplace transform of e power t into sin t equal to f of s minus 1. Now, we have to find f of s. F of t already we know. F of t equal to sin t. Therefore, f of s equal to Laplace transform of sin t. It is equal to 1 over s square plus 1. F of s equal to this one, then what is it by the formula here? F of s minus 1 equal to, just to replace s by s minus 1, and just to replace s by s minus 1 the whole square plus 1. So Laplace transform of e power t into sin t equal to 1 over s minus 1 the whole square plus 1. Since What the f of s? F of s equal to 1 over s square plus 1. F of s minus 1 means that you replace this s. You replace this s by s minus 1. We are getting the solutions. So 1 over s minus 1 the whole square plus 1. You understand? Yeah, this one is very simple things, but it's also very useful to you. And then I am going to the second one, second page. Next, I am going to teach the second shifting theorem. Second shifting theorem is also very simple things. Second shifting theorem. See here, dear students, just you have to see the second shifting theorem statement. If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then to prove that Laplace transform of f of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f of s. So now we are going to find the value for Laplace transform of f of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f of s. See here, this one by the definitions. Everyone must know Laplace transform of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. This one is very important things. You know very well about this. Laplace transform of f of t equal to this much. See f of t here, f of t. Just to replace the value of f of t is just given. So in the case is given that, what the value is given here now? In the case they are given that, you see, I think so maybe, sorry. In the case, you have to see that here, just to replace t by t minus a. Laplace transform of f of t minus a equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power minus st. Just to replace this one, e power minus st into f of t into a into dt here. Now we have to adding these two terms. Now we have to adding these two terms, just adding these two terms, just adding here now. You know this values now here. It's very simple things. Here you write here, what the e power minus as? E power minus as, e power minus as into e power as equal to, just adding these two, we are getting e power minus as plus e power as. What the answer here now? So just adding these two, we are getting e power 0. E power 0 is nothing but 1. So that is the reason. So I have to add in here Laplace transform of f of t minus a equal to e power minus st into f of t minus a. So for our convenience to prove the concept, so now we have to replace here. You understand? So for our convenient, little bit adding here. For our convenient, you adding these two. So this one, see here, this one, just adding these two terms here now. F of t e power minus as to e power as. So just you have to combine the first terms and the last terms. First you have to combine this one with this. E power minus st into e power minus as. We have to combine these values. So now we are getting here e power minus s of t minus a, and then e power minus as into f of t into t minus a into dt here now. This term is missing here into dt. Here you write here now, this term is missing. This term here, dt is missing. You understand? dt is missing here. So therefore you write e power minus ax is a constant, take outside. E power minus as 0 to infinity, e power minus s of t minus a. Here is also f of t minus a into dt here. You're clear now? So it's very simple things. So just we have to combine these two terms, and then these terms. We have to combine these two terms. It is nothing but here, then e power minus as f of t minus a into dt here. And then after this, we have to see here now. After this, how to t minus a, put t equal to or x equal to t minus a. Then what is dx equal to dt? T equal to 0. When t equal to lower limit t equal to 0, what is x? X equal to minus a. When t equal to infinity, x equal to infinity. But in the positive directions, it also can be expressed as x varying from 0 to minus a to infinity, but the Laplace transform defined in the interval 0 to infinity. It means that positive path. So therefore, that negative a to infinity can be expressed as negative a to 0, 0 to infinity. Negative a to 0 is 0 because it is in the negative side. So it should be represented only in the positive side. The Laplace transform always take in the positive directions, 0 to infinity. So therefore, this also can be expressed as e power minus as 0 to infinity, e power minus st, f of t into dt. I think so. Maybe here I made mistake here. Here you write here now. You understand? Here you write, this one is take it as, instead of this, is take it as capital T. I think so, you understand? So this one, this also we have to take it as capital T. This one, you replace this x is nothing but x is replaced by capital T, so etc. So finally we are getting 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt here. What the value here now? This one is nothing but the definition of Laplace transform in different variable, but the concept is very similar. So therefore e power minus as into this one, make it into f of s. So hence Laplace transform of f of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f of s. Is not clear? Okay. Then I have to do the second things. So very, very easy things. Laplace transform of f of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f of s. So based on this, I have to give small example. I think it's better to, I have to do some things. Evaluate sine of t minus 1. By the second shifting theorem, what is the f of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f of s? Just we know. Now you put, this one is f of t minus a. Sine t minus 1 is nothing but f of t minus 1. So therefore, what is given? F of t. F of t is, this one is, by the definition we know that these things, this one is f of, a very simple one. You have to consider f of t minus a. F of t minus 1. This one is f of t minus 1. It's clear now. So what is f of t here? F of t is nothing but sine t. F of t is sine t. Then very first, we have to do it now. F of t equal to sine t. Then you find the value now. f of s equal to, what's the Laplace transform sin t? 1 over s squared plus 1. Then, what the formula here? E power minus a is into f of s. F of s is this one. Then a equal to 1. We are getting Laplace transform of sin t minus 1 equal to e power minus s over s squared plus 1. It is nothing but, you clear? So it's also same as this one. By the definition you write this one equal to the previous one, e power minus s, e power minus s into 1 over s squared plus 1. So this one is nothing but this value. Okay, you clear now? So e power minus s into, actually this one, a equal to 1, you are getting e power minus s. Then f of s, just we know. So 1 over s squared plus 1. So therefore we write Laplace transform of sin t minus 1 equal to e power minus s over s squared plus 1. So hence the result. You clear? Better. I think so. Maybe we are going to next one. Next concept is the change of scale property. The change of scale property. If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then to prove that Laplace transform of f of a into t equal to 1 by a into f of s over a. So this one given, this is nothing but the definition. Then after this, what's the Laplace transform of f of at? Just to replace f of t by f of at. So you are getting this one based on the definition. Now you put t equal to at. What's dt here now? A into dt. So small dt equal to capital D into t by a. When t equal to 0, lower limit. When t equal to 0, capital T equal to 0. When t equal to infinity, capital T equal to infinity. So based on this, the limit varying from t equal to 0 to infinity. You just replace this place by 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt by a because of this one. So now we get these things. Here is also similarly, or also we have t. What's the t here now? T is already, we know that capital T by a. So this one, or we have to apply this one. You have to multiple here itself. You have to multiple and divide by a. So minus of s by a into t. So this one you have to negative s over a into t because 1 over a is take outside. So e power minus of s over a into t into dt. This one is nothing but 1 over a because what's the instead of f of s, here we have s over a. So just to replace f of s by a. So 1 over f of s over a. Hence the concept. You understand? So okay. And then next I am going to teach the another one. Some example. I think so better. You understand very clear using some example here now. And then you write here, next one. Next, Laplace transform of, next you have to do it these things. Now, Laplace transform of derivatives of a functions. If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then what is the Laplace transform of f n of t equal to? We have to prove that s power n into Laplace transform of f of t minus s power n minus 1 into f of 0 minus s power n minus 2 into f of 0. Then continue this. Finally, you are getting f of n minus 1 over n of 0 here. So this concept is proved by using the mathematical inductions concept. Mathematical induction concept means that you put n equal to 1, 2, 3 like that, and then you find the general terms is the mathematical inductions. So now in the case you put n equal to 1 in the formula here. What the formula here? Put n equal to 1 here. What the value? Laplace transform of dash f dash of t equal to s, what is the dash here now? 1, s, you put n equal to 1, here we have that s power 1, Laplace transform f of t, here s minus 1, s power 0 is 1, f of 0. Then another thing is negative, you don't bother about this. Anyway, we have to prove uh, the theorem by mathematical inductions. Put n equal to 1. So now you write, what the Laplace transform of f of t equal to this one you have to prove. This one you are going to prove these things. This one you are going to prove here. This one we have to prove. This one we have to prove. You clear? This one is very important things. Laplace transform of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. So this one is nothing but the definitions. Now, what is the Laplace transform of? What the Laplace transform of left hand side? What the Laplace transform of f dash of t 0 to infinity? Laplace transform of f dash of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t into dt here. So simply write here now. This one you write Laplace transform of f dash of t, f dash of Laplace transform of f dash of t equal to Laplace transform of f dash of t equal to, just to replace f of t in the formula, just to replace the value here now. In the formula f of t by f dash of t, you are getting like this. Is it okay? Then after this one, evaluate this integration by using integration by parts. You put u equal to e power minus st. What is du? Du is nothing but e power minus st into minus s into dt. dv equal to f dash of t into dt. What's the v value? V value is nothing but f of t. This one integrations. So just we have to find the value here now. Then after this, you here we have the formula is this one. Integral over 0 to infinity u into dv equal to uv into 0 to infinity negative 0 to infinity v into d. This is nothing but integration by parts formula. Then after this, you clear? Then after this, you just replace the value here. After this, you replace the value. This value you have to replace. Better you, I think so, maybe here you have to see this value. This value is nothing but 0 to infinity u into dv equal to uv 0 to infinity negative 0 to infinity v into du. Then substitute what is u? U is already taken e power minus st. Then what is v? V just we know that f of t. So 0 to infinity negative v equal to f of t, and then what's du? Du equal to minus s e power minus st into dt. Here minus minus will become positive, come outside s 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. What the value here now? You put e power negative infinity becomes 0, then e power 0 becomes 0 into f of t into f of 0. So 0 minus f of 0 plus s outside. What this value? I think so maybe. This one you are very clear. This one is nothing but by the definition. This one is the total value. This one is nothing but Laplace transform of f of t. So negative f of 0 plus s into Laplace transform of f of t. Then we format it as, that is Laplace transform of f dash of t equal to s into Laplace transform of f of t negative f of 0. This is the first result. You understand now? This one, when n equal to 1, we are getting the value. So f dash of t equal Laplace transform of f dash of t equal to s into Laplace transform of f of t minus f of 0. You clear now? I think so. Maybe you know very well about this. Then next I am going to the second things. You put n equal to, after this you put next one. You put n equal to 2. Already told that this can be proved by using mathematical inductions. It means that put n equal to 1, n equal to 2, etc. Then you find the general terms is a solutions. Clear? Now you put n equal to 2 to show that Laplace transform of f double dash of t equal to s squared Laplace transform of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0. This we are going to prove. So now you write here now left hand side. What the left hand side here now? Laplace transform of f double dash of t. So just you replace f of t by f double dash of t. Here it is. Then u equal to e power minus st, du equal to this one already we know. So dv equal to f double dash of t into dt. What is the v value? F dash of t. Then by using all the values in integration by parts, that is uv into 0 to infinity negative 0 to infinity v into du. What the u value? U value is e power minus st, then v value is f dash of t, 0 to infinity, then 0 to infinity into v value is f dash of t, and then du value is this one you write. This one you take s outside. Here it is also we have. In the case, see here now, this one is missing here. This one is f dash of t. This one is f dash of t. The term is missing. You clear now or not? These terms is missing. So right here, f dash of t, you take this s outside, we are getting positive s, e power minus st into f dash of t into dt. Then this terms is also, what is the upper limit? E power negative infinity becomes 0. Then the lower limit e power 0 is 1, and then f dash of t into 0. Then you write like this. This one you write. By the first result? This one is nothing but by the first result, s into Laplace transform of f dash of t. You replace what the first result? S into Laplace transform of f of t minus f of 0. You clear now? I think so. Maybe here is very simple things. You must remember, recall all, and then it's okay. Then by result 1, then after this, just to simplify, minus f dash of 0, s into s squared into Laplace transform of t, then multiple with here s into f of 0. Then finally you simplify. Laplace transform of f double dash of t equal to s squared of Laplace transform of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of into 0. Continue this process. Finally, you are getting here Laplace transform of f n of t equal to s power n Laplace transform of f of t minus s power n minus 1 into f of 0 plus etc. Finally, you are having that f of n minus 1 of 0. So this one is nothing but the final result. So hence a concept. You clear now? This one. This one also very important things. See here now, f dash of t already we know, just to replace, and then multiple, you are getting f double dash of t. F dash is this one, and then f double dash equal to this, then f triple dash, etc. Then we get, based on this, then we have to write the general terms. This is nothing but the solutions. Clear? Then I am going to next, I think maybe next concept. This one, the derivatives of the Laplace transform of functions. Next one, Laplace transform of integral of functions. Next we have to prove Laplace transform of integral of functions. The theorem here. Here given that if Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then to prove that 0 to t f of tau into d tau equal to f of s over s. This one you are going to prove. You clear now? This is the concept we have to prove. This one is a concept we have to prove. To find the Laplace transform of, we have to prove, then to prove that Laplace transform of, this one you write, Laplace transform of 0 to t f of tau into d tau equal to f of s over s. Is it clear now? So this one is Laplace transform. We have to prove that Laplace transform of 0 to infinity f of tau into d tau equal to f of s over s, or sometimes we have to write here now this one. Then we have to prove that Laplace transform of, sometimes we have to using this concept here now, Laplace, then to prove that Laplace transform of then to prove that Laplace transform of 0 to t f of tau into d tau equal to f of s over s, we have to prove. Is clear? Then next we have to go these things. Now given, what is the Laplace transform of f of t? It is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. That is the definitions. Here replace, what is the Laplace transform of 0 to t f of tau into d tau? E power, just very simple logic. Here f of t is this one. We have to replace f of t. Clear? This is f of t here now. This is f of t. You replace f of t. See here, here is also just to replace the value here. F of t by, so this value we have to replace. Laplace transform 0 to t f of tau into d tau equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st 0 to t into f of tau into dt you write here. It's clear? Then after this, see here now, f of 2 take outside, because here we have the variable, integral variables dt, take outside, tau into 0 to infinity. You replace the value here now, tau, because tau to infinity e power minus st into dt into d of tau here. So this one also we have to write tau to infinity e power minus st into dt into d tau. So just we have to integrate here e power minus st and then minus s over the limits tau to infinity into d tau. It's clear? Then just we have to replace the value 0 minus e power minus s into tau into dt. Here you take that negative outside, 1 over minus s into 0 to infinity f of tau into. So this also we have to write based on the limit. You put n equal t equal to infinity, you are getting 0. And then when t equal to tau, we are getting minus of e power minus s into tau into d tau. Then again you have to see that this negative again come outside. We are getting 1 over s 0 to infinity, integral over 0 to infinity e power minus s into tau f of tau into d tau. It's clear? Then what the value here now? This value already you know that. This also very similar here. This value, what is the value here now? So this is nothing but is a Laplace transform of f of t, or sometimes it is denoted by f of s. Is clear? It is denoted by f of s. That's why you write f of s over s. So Laplace transform of 0 to t f of tau into d tau equal to f of s over s. This formula is also very important one. This also very important. You have to memorize this. I think so it is very useful for calculating many differential equations. You clear now? Then after this, I am going to the next page. So this one, here, the next one is this one. Laplace transform of t power n into f of t. Laplace transform of t power n into f of t. This one we have to prove. So what is the theorem here now? If Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform t power n into f of t equal to negative 1 power n d power n over ds power n of f of s. This formula is very important for all technical sides. This formula is very, very important. You memorize this. Laplace transform of t power n f of t equal to negative 1 power n t power n by ds power n of f of s. This is very important one. Now we are going to prove the concept here. So you clear now? I think so. Maybe this one is very simple one, but you have to do something. Here we are using mathematical by inductions. You put here for very first, you put what's the d by ds of f of s. F of s we know. D by ds of f of s. First we have to taking derivative with respect to s, we get. This one is f of s. Clear? Given f of s equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt, taking derivative with respect to s, we get d by ds of f of s equal to, this one is also d by ds of the whole thing. Now you write d by ds of e power minus st because this is a constant now here. So what is the value here now? This one is minus t into e power minus st into f of t into dt. Clear? This one just to take with respect to s, e power minus st minus t, negative t, into f of t into dt here. Then take the negative outside, then e power minus st, we have to t combined with f of t, you are getting like this, into dt. So negative 0 to infinity, e power minus st into t into f of t into dt here. So this one, what the value here now? This one already we know that is also 0 to infinity e power minus st t into f of t into dt. Instead of f of t, we have t into f of t. Just to write negative Laplace transform of t into f of t equal to this much. Then you have to multiply both sides by negative. You are getting Laplace transform of t into f of t equal to negative d by ds of f of s. Is clear? I think so. Maybe you are very, very well about it. So this one is nothing but d by ds of f of s equal to Laplace transform of t into f of t. Next we write, you put n equal to 2 here now. N equal to 2. So now we get here Laplace transform t squared into f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus s squared f of t squared into f of t into dt. Then we have to go to the next page. See here now. So this also we have to write here. So in the same things, for proving this one, so now we take derivative double time, d squared by ds squared of f of s. D squared by ds squared of 0 to infinity, what is f of s? E power minus st f of t into dt. Then d by ds of, you have to split d squared by ds squared into d by ds into d by ds. Into the bracket you write. So this one, what this value is already we got it. It is nothing but, this value is how much here now? This value is, the total value is nothing but negative t into f of t into dt, t into negative f of t into dt. Again you have to take, these are also going inside, d by ds of this one again you get e power minus st into minus t, t into f of t into dt. You combine this minus also come outside, we are getting positive. So 0 to infinity e power minus st into t squared into f of t into dt. So this one is also we have. So based on this, what is the value here now? Already we know that this value is, I think so, maybe here, this value. What the value here now? See here now. See this value, the total value is Laplace transform of t squared. Laplace transform of t squared into f of t. Negative, positive is maybe written as negative 1 power 2 into Laplace transform t squared f of t. Hence, Laplace transform of t squared into f of t equal to negative 1 power 2 Laplace transform of t squared into f of t. Continue this process. What the final value? Continue this process. Finally, you are getting like this. Continue this process. What the final value here now? Final value is, just you see the previous value here, previous page. So it is nothing but, finally you write here, and then you write better right here. Then final value can be denoted as Laplace transform of t power n f of t equal to, you write t power n f of t equal to, you write it is better. Continue this process, and then finally you are getting it is equal to minus 1 power n into Laplace transform of, see here now, t power n into f of t. T power n into f of t is clear. T power n into, minus 1 power n into d power n into, you write here, it is, you write, it is also write here, it is also, finally you write this one, d power n divided by ds power n of f of s. Hence the result. You clear now? You better to know. So continue the process. So this one, when n equal to 2, we are getting like this. When t equal, n equal, so here 2 by n, we are getting t power n into f of t equal to negative 1 power n into d power n by ds power n of plus etc. equal to this much. You are better, you write here now. So clear? Minus 1 power n into f of t into d square. What the value here now? This one, I think so. Maybe I made mistake here. So this one you write, better to write here. What the value here now? This one is in the left hand side value. What is the left hand side value? d square divided by ds power 2 into f of s You clear now? So this one is, so this one cancel now. So negative 1 power 2 into d power 2 by d squared by ds squared of f of s. So based on this concept, finally you are getting this one. You listen here now. This one is very important things. So okay, thank you very much for your kind cooperations to attend the class very peacefully. Thank you. I have to continue these sessions next week. Thank you very much. So